As we begin to create collections within our music database, let us take a look at the basic structure of a MongoDB collection. First, within the database, there is the name of the database. Within the database, there is different collections. Within those collections, there are documents, and within those documents, there are fields. If you are familiar with a relational database, the breakdown will then be a database, tables, rows, and then columns. Within MongoDB, there are different types of data types. Here are some of the few data types that exist. For a full list of the data types, you can visit this link, and I will also attach this article as a resource, linking it to the lecture. For the sake of our course, we will not be using any direct data types. Instead, we will be using obviously data types such as numbers, and MongoDB will automatically select the data type for us when we create the collection. Here is what a collection looks like. For example, the first collection we will create is the bands collection. In our band collection, we will have some band members will have an ID and a name. The band name is known as the field name. The title of the band, the name of the band, is known as the field value. The band name is the field name. Valley Moors is the field value. If we had a different variable here, for example, the date of birth, that will be considered the field name, and the date itself will be considered the field value. MongoDB allows us to work with a flexible schema. It is scalable, and this is the beautiful thing about working with MongoDB. As compared to working with a relational database, we first need to identify the structure of the database by a primary or foreign key and the different types of data types. When we select a data type, we also need to specify a size for that data type. After the table is created, information we insert into the table must match specifically according to those data types and to the size. If they do not match, we will be faced with an error. This is the difference when working with MongoDB. When we're working with MongoDB, collections do not require documents to have a specific schema. Documents in the same collection do not need to have the same set of fields. It is easy to change an existing document structure within a collection by updating the documents. We also have the ability to embed information within a document. We will see an example of all of these as we begin creating our collections.